Rietwa Paul MCKENZIE MIIRI yonekene nyuma ya thirikari kwithukira mwito Kiriga igeria ria kuonokia athingati ba muthinjiri uju aria bamwe bakuoneka kinya bari moyo ni aria gukwirikana Paul MCKENZIE kabathite guchiata ntuku 40 batina bia kuria kana kinya kunywa kibera izi niyo njira yake ya kwithirwa bagetirimana na mwathani JESU. MCKENZIE netete na mbere kurigirirwa ni borithi eterete kwithirwa akirugurirwa nthitango onde uchunkoni bwitite na mbere
na kire shughuli ya kumbura MIIRI ndirete nturene Shakahola roterwa Kilifi mbere tunenkania rugono ruru MIIRI 17 ni mbuli NTUKU na ukinyithire MIIRI yonthe 90 akiriunga ku minister okarebo nene janthiro ne Kenya Professor Kithure Kindiki nere kithirite mabitha babengi bakumbura bethiro bakiongerwa arankoro kiongerete na kwa mutumire MCKENZIE nthenge abatere kwethire thitango kirikoti ya kinthiguro ICC nontu bamaitija kuraga ntu babainge kana na gichunko genocide igikundi kia muthara MWITUNE roterwa Kilifi kiri wantu 213 ibaurite kiri kithaka ya nkrokieka 800 urungurwa kanise MCKENZIE nthenge arabakwa babainge igana rimwe 12 na banini bandegura miaka 18.
Nikuja kutafuta bwana wangu alikuchapa mwezi wa 10 tarehe 12 akaniambia ameenda Jerusalem kwa MCKENZIE kutafuta Yesu Changwani.
Waendelea.
Changwani. Sasa nimemtafuta lakini nimempata. Msote
Mmekuaje? Mmempata akiwa hali gani?
Aliko sawa, alikuwa anatoka Kisiagi, amenomena na unga aende kupika msituni akula huko mwezi wa 6 ngojea Yesu ndiye aende.
Jau najo je karika Shakahola aje Nairobi kirikarone bya bunge iye karoke thinyasha NTUKU ikithiro kigarurwa arero rero kwarire makarika jaja ruithiro ruiretu mungero tero Kilifi North Owen Baya.
He is believed to have brainwashed his followers into starvation. But himself, he eats, a father of 17 children. His children are eating and feeding well. His wife lives in a beautiful house, eating and feeding well, while he is telling his followers not to eat because it is time for them to meet Jesus. People have chosen, even the learned ones, have chosen to go to be radicalized by people.
And it is okay to visit Shakahola, but we want to see maximum deployment of even sniffer dogs if we are to save one extra life today.
Babunge barende kithiria otho bwithiro bokiondwa ni nyanthi njirito cithiro cigikirwa kirima pasta mwakanisa ire kwithiro citumiria ntumire cigita te motho ja Kenya.
Which laws can we put in place so that we can control the religions that are coming up every day in and out?
The state has got a duty and has got a responsibility, Honorable Speaker, to regulate how church behave, how church conduct their activity.
Let us go beyond the talk of today. Let us look at what laws we can come up with and what laws we can amend so that we can regulate this industry, because it is an industry.
Kiri abunge bamwe jakwangerekana Bishop Kosgei rano bunge okoroto kiri utero Kenya Kwanza ari ugandini tena thina kira kina thini mapasta bamwe.
This is a psychological issue that if we rush to regulate the space, soon we will over-regulate our space.
Nakuma karaja, mawada jawe kira Brixman tuja dini, jedri tuja iguro kiri ndegurire nyingi na kwithiro jere maja kwangerekano ja ndeguru ne Kenya, ende nande kumane makarika ja Shakahola, roterwa Kilifi, bunge nene, netege riko nekanethuri kithire togaroku, nethiro bukethiro bwitetheria. Nkiripotera Ntoshauru TV kumaje karone bya bunge kingi nangine kineke mshimuje Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.